Here we have a Malibu camper van. My first vehicle was a Malibu, except it wasn't a sorry, it wasn't a motorhome, it was a camper van. This is a motorhome, right? This is a Malibu motorhome, the T430 LE. This is meant to be a cheaper version of a Carthago. It is a bit cheaper, but it's still not exactly cheap. As you can see by looking at this down here, 108,001 euros. This vehicle here is 690 centimeters long. It's 200. How much? 227 wide, 294 high. It's also got a. You can also put in a 4.25 ton basis, 3.5 tons more than probably normally want, and empty weight is from 2, let's say, in this step, 3,124. So that'll give 376 kilos of payload. Right, what is interesting, I think here, it looks much wider than it really is. Actually, it looks like my vehicle is wider than this. It doesn't. This one here looks much wider. I think that's because of the architecture, the way it's been built. Storage which slides back, which I think is a really good idea. What I don't think is a good idea, this is ridiculous. That space wasted in the corners, and it just makes no sense. You can do nothing with it. And this is the problem. This is why builders should listen to people who actually use the things. I appreciate that not everybody might want to build vans, but you might want to sleep in them. I do appreciate that could be the case. Anyway, we'll have a look at this there. One clever thing I think about this is that they actually slope that way rather than sloping that way. It means that things won't fall out so much. Also notice at the bottom how this is inclined. This, however, inside is at flat. I don't know if that's clear or not, what I just said. Flat here, but inclined down here. Right, under here we have a storage area for your clothes, and we'll find on the other side a similar sort of thing, which is also openable via here as well. Below that, so you've got the cold water tank, fresh water tank, sorry. Steps up to the bed if it's in this condition, but you can pull this out here and put that in there. That'll go in there, and we will have a big bed. I'm not going to demonstrate that because I cut myself this morning. I don't want to get any blood on the pillow, not pillow, what do you call it? Mattress. Fridge that opens both ways. There you go. It opens this way as well. A viewer said that his pins broke in the van. Of course, that's nothing to do with Carthago Malibu. It was a domestic problem. This opens like this. Look at that up there. We've got and that joins there. So you can make yourself a big dressing room in here. Enormous washroom. Look at that. Isn't that great? That's really good, I think. Although personally I could do without this plastic thing like that. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. I've seen so many of these things broken that I've got a bit of an aversion to them. But anyway, for the moment that's pretty good. Let's come out here. Note the double floor, and of particular interest in the double floor in this one is this large storage point at the entrance, and which I'll now demonstrate for you. I think this is really ultra clever. All Carthago models have them. Now look at that space there. Huge amount of space for storage. And anyway, storage area here, very nice. And storage area. Sitting area here, storage for people. Okay, so I'm going to finish here. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.